Hello class, a very pleasant morning to all of you. Today, I Rita Parekh from St. Thomas High School, Mahua, am here to further continue with the subject of English for the students of class 7th. My dear students, during the previous lecture, we completed activity number 2. So today, we are going to start with activity number 3. Let us discuss activity number 3. What is a balanced diet? Eating a balanced diet means choosing a wide variety of foods and drink from all the food groups. It also means that eating certain things in moderation, namely saturated fats, trans fats, cholesterol, refined sugar, salt, and alcohol. The goal is to take in nutrients you need for health at the recommended level. So, what is a balanced diet? The food which we eat in from a huge variety of foods and drinks which we have in all different kind of food groups. That means the proper intake of food which we need in order to have a proper balanced diet which gives and keeps our body healthy and which gives the proper nutrients which are necessary for our body. It also means eating certain things in moderation. That means it also means that the things which we eat should be in a reasonable limit. Saturated fats, that means the food with bad fat which is harmful for our body and our health. Trans fat, that means a type of a fat which is found in mostly fried fruits. Cholesterol, that means too much fat in the body tissue and the blood of all animals. Refined sugar, salt, and alcohol. The goal is to take in the nutrients you need for health at the recommended level. So, the food which we take, the main goal is to take the nutrients all we need in our body at a recommended, that means at a specific level, which helps us to keep our body healthy. What are calories? Your balanced diet must be planned at your own calorie level and key size in and portion size is key. You want to get to you want to get the most nutrition for the calories by choosing food with high nutrition density. Nutrient dense food provides substantial volume of vitamins, minerals, and relatively few calories, such as fresh fruits and vegetables, lean meat and fish, and whole grain and beans. Low nutrient dense food have few vitamins but lots of calories, such as candy bars, sodas, donuts, and onion rings. So here, when what are calories? The balanced food which we take must be planned at a proper own calorie level, and hence, what are calories? The things which we eat and which does not provide that high amount of nutrients and vitamins which we need in our body. Those food includes calories. So the nutrient you want to get the most nutrient for the calories by choosing food with the high nutrient density. So, what is meant by nutrient? First of all, any substance which plants or animals need to live and grow is considered as nutrients. And what is meant by nutrient dense food? The food with the substantial amount of vitamins and minerals which are having very few calories but which are very beneficial for body is considered as nutrient dense food. And this food includes fresh fruits, vegetables, lean meat, fish, whole grain, beans, etc. And the low nutrient dense food means the food which have very few vitamins but a lot of calories, such as which is always harmful for our body. Such foods are candy bars, sodas, donuts, and onion rings. Let us discuss the question answers of this. What type of food will you choose to make a balanced diet? We need nutrients needed for health at a recommended level. For that, we choose a balanced diet at a certain calorie level. We should take nutrients dense food with the substantial amount of vitamins and minerals and relatively few calories, such as fresh fruit, vegetables, lean meat, fish, and whole grains and beans. Define nutrient dense food and name 4 items of that group. Nutrient dense food provides substantial amount of vitamins and minerals and relatively few calories. The eatables or food of this group are fresh fruits, lean meat, fish, and whole grain and beans. Define low nutrient food and name 4 items of that group. So low nutrient food have very few vitamins but a lot of calories. The 4 eatables of these groups are candy bars, sodas, donuts, and onion rings. My dear students, here we are at the end of today's video. In the very next class, we will start with activity number 4. Today I am sharing a PDF file in which the glossaries and the question answers of this activity is given. Do write the same in your fair book. Thank you and have a nice day.